on point. Buddy is totally focused on the bird, and you should be too. Shooting instructor Buzz Fawcett calls it shooting like a predator, a single-mindedness that eliminates distractions and puts birds on the ground for the dog. Here's how. Keep your eye on the bird's eye as it flies. Focus completely. Really see it. Don't just look at it. That eliminates distraction, keeps your face on the gun stock, and creates an accurate sight picture. Once the bird tumbles, you can relax. It's Buddy's turn to go to work. Thanks, good boy. Hey, come on over to findbirdhuntingspots.com. You get lots more dog training tips, places to go, and an online webinar on finding public access ground throughout the country. I'll see you there.